It's already 4:29. Super lamig. But trying to enjoy the temperature kasi pag mainit na naman. Ako nagising guys. Siguro 2:30 ganun. I heard sounds. Hindi na ako makatulog after. Try ako inin before almost 2 hours. Hindi na ako makatiis. So, bumangon na ako. Hi! Look! Hi! No. See? Okay, here's another one. Hi! Oh, no. Oh, hi! Okay na. Enough. Doon, iba yung smell niya. Okay. Here's the another one. Sorry. Okay. Hi! Aray ko, Lord. Our 3 pets. Actually, they are 7. We have another 2 pigs and 2 rabbits. Diba? 2 dogs, 1 cat, 2 pigs, 2 rabbits. Siguro dapat dagdagan ang cat. Medyo older rin kasi si Muning. Imagine, magwa 1 year na ako sa work ko. Then, yung cat na yan, grade 7 pa ako. See? Ano? Meow! Oldie na siya. Yan lang.